If your idea of the perfect weight loss meal is just plain chicken or fish with some salad and brown rice, then you're missing out on some major ingredients as shown by reams of research that help the body burn fat. Herbs and spices. These are the best ways to add flavor to food with no extra calories, sugar, sodium or any other junk, which is critical to do when you're trying to lose weight. Why? It's pretty simple. Research shows that if you don't like the taste of what you eat, you're much less likely to stick to that diet, no matter how disciplined you are. So let's assume the help of these tongue-tingling ingredients and lose weight the simple way. This brightly colored spice may help your body burn fat. You ask how? Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is said to help people lose more weight. Known as a warming heat, turmeric increases body heat, which in turn can boost metabolism. From helping to fight Alzheimer's disease to keeping hormones in check during that time of the month, turmeric is a golden delight. To get the most of it, try adding it to soups or stews or sprinkle it over some roasted veggies or nuts. This classic holiday spice has been shown to balance blood sugar, curb cravings and help you feel fuller for longer. While you might already sprinkle some to your food, you can also increase your daily intake by adding this spice to paneer, yogurt or your favorite brew to make a more fragrant tea. Sprinkling cinnamon also makes a great addition to savory spice rubs and marinades for meat. Yum! If you've ever accidentally added too much of this spice, then you know that cayenne is a warming spice in a major way. Just like turmeric, cayenne raises body temperature that helps boost metabolism. Here's the bonus of spicing it up. Adding cayenne to food can help you burn up to 100 calories per meal. Now that's an easy way to lose weight. Try sprinkling ground cayenne on roasted nuts or soups, scrambled eggs, or homemade dressings or dips for an extra kick. Cumin is a little bomb of a food spice, and adding a single teaspoon to one of your meals per day can help you burn up to 3 times more body fat, according to a recent study conducted on overweight women. This is great news, especially since cumin is so universal and can add flavor to almost any food. Try it on everything from soups, stews, dressings and dips to stir fries, marinades and even flatbreads. Cardamom is another one of those thermogenic spices, meaning it helps boost body temperature and metabolism. A favorite in Indian cuisine, cardamom is fantastic when mixed with nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves and ginger for a homemade curry blend or chai tea. You can also try adding some of this citrusy spice to baked goods, coffee or gamey meats like mutton. So ladies, when it comes to weight loss, now would be a good time to spice up your life with these amazing tongue-tingling ingredients that will help you lose weight. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.